Greetings, hope you're doing well. This is Isaac from Tutoring Edge, and today I'll be helping you with solving for x using the k method. Now, without wasting any time, let me cut to the chase. When we look at the first term and the second term, they have the same variables, x squared minus x, inside their brackets. So what we do is that we are going to replace that with a k. In other words, you're going to say let x squared minus x equals to k. So when you see x squared minus x, you replace it with a k. So this is what we do. We say k squared, we're replacing it now, minus 18 k plus 72 is equals to 0. So remember, when we see this, we replace it with a k. Now factorizing, take out common factors from this. Now we say, what are the factors of 72 that will give us negative 18 when you multiply them together, when you subtract them together rather? So in my list I've got negative 12 and also negative 6. So when I subtract this together, negative 12 and negative 6, they give me minus 18. So I equate all of this to 0. Now I've got k minus 12 being equals to 0. And also k minus 6 equals to 0. So my k will be equals to 12 and my k will be equals to 6. Now remember, we said let x squared minus x equals to k. So where now we see k, we replace it with this over here, x squared minus x. So now we say x squared minus x is equals to 12 and x squared minus x is equals to 6. Now we say x squared minus x, we take this to the other side, it will change the sign, so it's going to be negative 12. And then we're going to also take this one to the other side, so we have x squared minus x minus 6 equals to 0. So you can say all here. So now what are the factors of negative 12 that when I subtract them together, they will give me a negative 1. So in my list I've got negative 4 and a positive 3. When I subtract negative 4 and 3, they will give me negative 1. So all of this is equals to 0. Now for this one, we have x squared minus x minus 6. So we've got negative 3 and x plus 2. So when I subtract negative 3 and 2, they'll give me negative 1. So now what are my factors here? So x will be equals to 4, or x is equals to negative 3, or x is equals to 3, or x is equals to negative 2. And then from there you're done. So your answer is what? X is equals to 4, x is equals to negative 3, x equals to 3, and x is equals to negative 2. So this is how you solve for x using the k method. Hope that was prolific. Have a lovely day.